Let us all give a round of applause for our nursery A and B students.